Hi everyone, I'm Weis Dietitian Taylor. Today I wanted to bring you some recipe inspiration that is a great way to put a spin on a chicken noodle soup recipe. So today's recipe is Lemony chicken orzo soup. And so far what I have in my pan here is just some olive oil that I'm heating up over medium-high heat. To that I'm going to add a diced small onion. And then I'm also going to add in 2 to 3 stalks of finely diced celery. Then I have about 1 cup of some chopped baby carrots. And lastly, 3 cloves of minced garlic. So I'm going to let these cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are nice and tender. And then we will come back and add a couple more ingredients. Okay, so now that my vegetables are nice and tender, we're going to go ahead and finish this soup up. So I have 4 cups of this unsalted chicken broth here. And so I use the unsalted just to save some of sodium that you find in traditional broth. So 4 cups of this. Then we're going to add in 1 can of diced petite tomatoes, undrained, so the whole can. Then we're going to add in some seasonings and herbs. So I have some dried rosemary, I have some poultry seasoning, and also some black pepper. I have some chicken here. So 2 cups of shredded chicken for this recipe. You can use leftover chicken. You could also use shredded rotisserie chicken, or you could shred your chicken however you prefer. So 2 cups there. And then we're going to give our soup a little bit of a vitamin C boost. So I have the juice of 1 lemon here, stirring that in. And so at this point, we're going to kind of keep the soup over that medium-high temperature, bring it to a boil, and then stir in half of a cup of orzo. So I'm using whole grain DeLallo brand orzo that you can find in our pasta aisle. But you could also use traditional orzo as well. Choosing the whole grain is just going to give us some additional fiber. So at this point, we're going to let this soup come to a boil and then reduce it to medium and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, just giving the orzo time to cook and also all the flavors time to kind of mix together, creating a delicious soup. So I hope today's recipe video gave you some inspiration for your dinner table. You can find the link for today's recipe in the video description. Please stay tuned for more recipes, and thanks for watching.